Hey, is you down with that? Is you down?
Bounce. West side, make 'em bounce right now. Right now. North side, make 'em bounce right now. Right now. Middle finger to the odds right now. Is you down for the cause right now? Right now. Fed side, make 'em bounce right now. Right now. Get the money and we out right now. Right now. We the boys that they want right now. In the spot right now, make 'em bounce right now. Like that.
What's a good, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video right here, I'm going to show you how I created this Christmas makeup look. Okay, I'm going to be posting this right before the holiday, so if you're looking to slay for the holiday, this is the tutorial for you to watch.
And if you think the melanin is popping, keep on watching.
First, I'm going to start off this tutorial using this. This is the Lancôme matte primer right here. This stuff is really good to just make my face mattify. This comes out a little bit drippy.
I love Christmas. I love Christmas time. It's my favorite time of the year because I just feel like people's attitudes are more joyful. And on top of that, it's my birthday month, December 28th, 1 month before J. Cole's birthday, which is January 28th.
I love January 28th. The song, if you know anything about that song is one of my favorite songs ever, so I know all the lyrics. Don't test me. So next, after we're done priming your face, because we want this to last all day, honey, don't we? I'm going to use the Lancôme Blur and Glow Stick.
Yo, here's gonna make that shake. I'm making shake. Shot about 3 hoes on my slate. Up on my slate. I try to tee up Christmas Day. Up Christmas Day. Want you.
I talked about this foundation on my other video, but Black Radiance Mousse foundation in the color Toffee.
I'll keep you close, howling in snow. Call your Santa Claus. That's what Christmas for.
Hey, I got G on the way.
On the comments below, let me know what your favorite Christmas album is. I love Christmas music, and I have a couple. I like Chance the Rapper's Part 1, Part 2 with him and Jeremih. Merry Christmas, Little Mama.
Luther Vandross Christmas album, classic. Mistletoe Jam, Get At Me, and let me see that. Motown Christmas album, Temptations Christmas album, Michael Bublé, Justin Bieber Christmas album. That's another one. That's a fave. I have to play that every Christmas. And the Luther Vandross, like I said before, Dross. Kenny Rogers has one. I love it. We listened to that one ever since I was a little child. Ooh, and I can't forget Boyz II Men, Let It Snow. Okay, yes.
Yeah, that's all the albums mentioned that I can remember right now, but best believe throughout this video I'm gonna have some recall and I'll say a couple more. Now I'm going to go in with the spoolie. I'm brushing out my eyebrow.
Auto-tune that for me.
Taking my eyebrow cake powder and NYX Professional Makeup. I'm really getting into my eyebrows just being really natural, and I love using this NYX powder.
I swear to God, if you leave my raw vocals like that, we're not friends anymore. Auto-tune my...
Use this to clean under my brow. You already know the Pro Concealer by LA Girl right here in the color Toffee. We're gonna use this again to go under my eyes.
Whether everybody say,
Ooh, oh goodness.
I'm a slave for you. I'll be home for Christmas. For about what they say. Pull up on you in the sleigh.
The Black Radiance Banana Powder. I used this in my last video. The front did rub off a little bit, but I mean a lot. It's all off. it's a good product, trust me.
Live for me, yeah, yeah. Baby, every Christmas Eve won't be right, you never.
So first, Juvia's Place Nubian palette. I'm going to go in with this green color. Right here is called Egypt. I'm gonna put it in my crease.
No, you coldest bundle love. I'm just trying to get some love. I hope it wasn't obvious. It's a white Christmas at the crib. Try and get snowed in. Unwrap you while we live.
And as you can tell, I used it to go in with my crease right here. And my crease, again with this other eye, I kind of winged it out a little bit. This palette, I was not expecting it to be one of my favorites. And this is the Revolution Division palette right here by Makeup Revolution. I'm going to go in my outer corner with this dark green color right here, right over here, this color right here.
Just go in lightly over the green.
Let's get close and blame it all on the weather. Girl, you know you deserve so much better.
After darkening up my crease, I'm going to take the same Revolution Reloaded Division palette. I'm going to use this color right here, this olive green right here. It's like a light olive green, and I'm going to put that on my lid.
No, you coldest bundle love. I'm just trying to get some love. Hope it wasn't obvious. It's a white Christmas at the crib. Try and get snowed in. Unwrap you while we live. Come show me what it is.
As you see, I'm not taking it down all the way to where the darker color, you see how the darker color is in the outer corners. I'm not taking it all the way down to that outer corner. And I'm not putting it over where the glitter is on my crease. I want to keep that glitter. And after that, I'm going to take now the sparkly green color that we used on the top right here. I'm going to put that in my inner corner here, Egypt, on the bottom. This one right here.
Hope it wasn't obvious. It's a white Christmas at the crib. Try and get snowed in. Unwrap you while we live.
As you can see, it's a little bit of a darker green. So then I'm gonna go in with Zuri.
Pat that in, you see how that gave it more of a metallic?
Come show me what it is.
I'm gonna put it in and sweep it out. You see that how it's like green and that champagne Zuri. So I have Egypt, the green color, and then that Zuri on top, which is that champagne sparkly color. Go back to the Revolution Reloaded Division palette. I'm gonna go in with this medium type dark green, this color right here. I'm going to put that under my eye.
Going close into that color, that champagne color.
Where was you when the strangers at the table wishing it was you?
So that completes the eyeshadow look. So now it's time to dust off some of this powder that we put under our eye. So I'm going to take this brush right here. I'm going to dust off
The powder.
I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance. Y'all have seen me use this before.
My contour. Your girl kind of has a little bit of the sniffles, but nothing major. I was sick though last week, so I think this is just like the final steps to getting rid of the sickness. But I'm just gonna go in.
And I'm going to use the Sculpt color, this color right here.
Come on, baby, Jesus was a baby. Let's do it for the baby, the baby, the baby.
Oh, baby, give me one more chance to get my shit.
That's good. And now, time for lashes. My favorite right now are the Jasmine Brown Eylure and the Curly Queen. This is it right here. So after I put my lashes on, I'm gonna go in with a liquid eyeliner, the NYX liquid eyeliner.
And they act like Maury. They say, where's your shorty? I just wish I could be more in the mix. You are the star in the morning I miss. You are my Christmas tree ornament. Looking just like Lena Horne in the whiz. Don't you know I love you, Sadie? Don't you know I love you, lady?
I'm gonna go in, because you know, since in the theme and the art of Christmas, you can't do a Christmas look if you don't have some type of red. So your girl's doing a red lip. So first I'm gonna go in with this. Technically it's an eyebrow pencil. It's the CoverGirl Juno eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna go in and line my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with this NYX Jumbo Lip Pencil Crayon in the color, let me see, in 712 Plush Red. Anyway, here you go. I use this. I'm using this.
Come on, oh, let it go, let it go, let it slow. What a
I'm gonna go back with this pencil.
do do, not Mary Kay. Got some change that's on the way. Tree lit up.
Now, if you wanted to, you could just leave your lips like this, but your girl ain't basic. So I'm gonna go in with Diamond Lip Gloss from AOA Cosmetics. And I swear this was like $1.
Sound like the wind chiming in. Love songs, track the time again. Play around, no skips.
Get into it. Look at it. It gives it like a snow globe effect, which I really like, and it's really nice. Okay, and then for our last but not least step, another AOA product, and it's their Wonder Baked Highlighter. The top is kind of rubbed off right here, the Wonder powder by AOA. Thank you. This highlight is so good, and I think it was only $1 too.
A little bit on my nose, giving you Rudolph the Red Nose vibes, aka Rudolph the Highlight Glow Nose vibes, okay?
Just for little Kinsley, the world can't love you.
And this is the final look, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you comment down below and tell me what your favorite Christmas traditions are, what type of music you like to listen to, what y'all do. Do y'all wear matching pajamas in the morning? Let your girl know. And I'll see you on my next video. Have a nice holiday. Bye. Peace.
Hey, hey, pride's gonna be the death of me. Hold up, wait, you know you gotta guard your energy. You can't match my pedigree, now you gotta pay a fee. This ain't free, what you need?